Syarifah Azuhra Denisya. My number of college student is 2104049. Well, now I will explain you how to create and how to count the rainfall in a week. Well as we know that weather is a part of atmosphere in an over area in period of time. So rain is the one element, or is the part of the elements of the weather, and rainfall is the part of the weather fall to the ground in period of time. So in plantation, rainfall is the part to make a plant grow. To count the rainfall, it's usually need an observation. So in BMKG, they usually use an umbograph and umbrometer. And then now I will show you how to count the rainfall with some simple tools. And we need buckets, and we need a measure cup. If we don't have a measure cup, we can use the ruler. And now I will show you the material that we needed.
Well, yeah, here's some material that we needed. First, we need a bucket. Yeah, this is the bucket. And before you use the bucket, make sure that you know the volume of this bucket. Alright. Well, the second materials we needed is rulers, because I haven't a measure cup, so I used the ruler. Well, I will show you the step to count the rainfall, so just check it out. Well, so guys, step one that we do is put this bucket into a table or anything with the highest is 50 centimeters to the ground, that used to avoid the buckets from the pH of the water. So I will show you how to place the bucket. Well, put the bucket just like this. Well, to placing the bucket must be far from the trees or from the building. So after we place the bucket just like this, and then the next step is leave the buckets and take it overnight in 24 hours. So I forget to tell you that put the bucket is when 6 o'clock p.m. and just see the bucket when 7 a.m. in the morning. So I will leave the bucket, and tomorrow I will see how much the rainfall in this bucket. So just wait and see for tomorrow.
After we leave the bucket in the rooftop or in a place to place it, so the next step is to observe and to see how much the rainfall in a bucket. So we will see it, and I will measure it with a ruler. So check it out.
Well, I have taken my bucket from the rooftop, and then you can see that any rainfalls in my bucket. And after we get the rainfalls in our bucket, so next step is amount the water within the rulers. And as well as we know that 1 centimeter just same like 1000 millimeter cubic. We amount this. Okay, let's go. Just put the rulers into the water. Well, yeah. Well, we got 15 centimeters. So just count it. Let's go. Yeah, to cut the rainfall in a day, we can calculate the amount of water divided by the area of the base, and just do it. And then we got 25.3, and the classification is moderate rain. So after we write this data, and then we do it the same thing and take 7 days to know how much the rainfall in a week.
Guys, after you got all of the data about the rainfall in a week, then you can get matching it with classification in one search. Well, alright. For example, like this classification. Okay, finally, after we got the classification about rainfall in area, and we can make conclusion. For example, like this. In Yogyakarta, we know that the weather of the rainfall is moderate rain. Alright, maybe that's all for me. How to count the rainfall in a week. I'm Syarifah, Azuhra, Denisya, and bye bye. See you next time.